Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Don't blame me, my dear brothers. I can't see a sister here. What is not happening? Ah, there is one. Thomas Welcome. And another one here? Are you sure? I'm weak. I don't know how to talk, how to speak while seated. If I can be allowed to stand, I'll be the happiest beggar. The happiest man, I mean. Don't call me a beggar, I call myself a beggar. Fellow sportsmen, it gives me much pleasure to stand in front of you people after being invited by my son, Isaac, who came to Jinja looking for me way back in 1997. Oh, I was already president. No, I wasn't president. I was chairman, FUFA. I entered as chairman and I left as president. Thank God for those who are presidents today, they are enjoying my sweat, I believe. I believe so. Let me start with thanking the organizers of this function. What was the name again? Rio Stars Sports Agency. I just learned about it here because I'm now a farming man deep in the village. Mr. Nanyumba here, if we pronounced his name correctly, I think he would call himself Nanumba. Am I right? Yes, I thought he was not from there. Now, if he is the Nanumba, we are coming from same side, and we are the wise men from the east.
You are very right. No doubt about that.
Thank you. Yes. He introduced me as a former president. I am introducing myself as a president, not a former. I am the president of FUFA, followed by other presidents. Once a president is I wish I don't go political. I may mention bad things here, and you never know. I want to go there. We are talking of football, rugby, and motor rally. We generalize those three within the sports fraternity. I call sports a tribe if I was to compare it to day-to-day life. If sports is a tribe, then there are clans within the tribe. They can be as many as possible. My clan in that tribe is football. And those guys who play football in my clan are called footballers. My second clan is motor rally, because I even once tried and I found it very expensive. I just had to escape from the burger thing. That is my second clan. We call the drivers, rally drivers, we call them, we call those who play this game, we call them rally drivers. Now I want to be educated from here. How do we call this rugby man? Is he a rugbyan? Is he a what? Ruga? Raga. Not ragadi, by the way. I don't know if I forgot the answer. Have I? I will get it from Isaac. He told me Ruga. Are they Rugas? I don't know. However, that not being an issue, I want to thank whoever puts effort in uplifting any kind of sport in this world. We have seen people who were born from very poor and simple families. We saw them becoming the kings of this small village called the Global Village. To mention a few, let me mention, who is this one? Pele, not Abedi Pele, but Pele the original from Brazil. He comes from a very simple family. How about Ronaldo, who came into limelight through, don't laugh at me, gentlemen and ladies, Njesi Wako, Manchester United. I call it my team. Don't worry, you also have yours. From there, apart from those ones we have here. That one also comes from the simplest family. Today, he's one of the kings of this world because he belongs to the tribe and the clan of football. Who are the promoters of sports? I think the main promoters are the media. I wish there was one here to clap for himself. If we have any member of the media here. You are the biggest promoters. One day I had problems with the media when I was in office. Somebody reported that Kakayi was hiding under the table. By the way, he was right, and I even thanked him so much because he was telling the public that I'm running this national office as if it was, let me call it in my language, as if Charlie Chabudada Wange. What is that? You know, the team is not going. You are not going to do anything there. We do our best, we go there, we come with a cup. Then you will see big tummies. Not mine, not mine. Don't care. Don't mind about this one. You will see them coming. We have worked for it. We have done for it. For what? Today, at least there is something in office. But that something in office, compared to a meal on the table, the meal is always prepared by somebody. The meal does not prepare itself. It is prepared by somebody. Now, if someone prepared the meal, surely people to enjoy the meal must be other than the one who prepared. Am I not right? In Lusoga, this man can help me. Talk about it here. He doesn't know. He's too old for it. That one is for us, the young ones. We say, omulimi mulimi, no muli muli. Who can translate that? Omulimi mulimi, no muli muli.
The farmer is different from the one who eats, literally.
Literally?
Yes.
Yeah. The job of that farmer is to produce. Then some people will come and eat and enjoy. When we are eating, we don't even want to know who did it. nani yali matitwenda kumana. Lusoga banati Uganda. I'm not messing around. Nikongera Lusoga. You know, when we are eating, we don't want to know who prepared. Right here, I've been invited by Isaac. But Isaac is not alone. He has never invited me to his home. You know, he invites me here. And he claims, oh, this one is my father. Why don't you invite me at home? Because you cannot manage me alone. You are always with them to invite us. So that's the football, that is the rugby and the motor rally. Sports in general. Sports is a gathering unit. It gathers very many people of this world, and in sports, we always have discipline. Without discipline, we cannot achieve. And sports is for players and the so-called officials, the Kakairis. Without players, Kakairi is not there. So there is no way Kakairi will stand up and say, Masa Angebichi. No. That is indiscipline. That is very much indiscipline. We must learn how to differentiate between performance and results. You can make a wonderful performance and get the worst results. You can make just a mediocre performance and end up with the wonderful results. I have an example. I took the poorest team in Khartoum during my term. I thought I was going Kusiba a killer, but I came with the trophy. The Isaacs of that time, I mean, those who criticized me that time, those who didn't know how was I running that kind of thing, said, look, he did what? He fluked. That I went and fluked out of 13 teams. 5 of them were trained by Bazungu coaches, something I didn't support. Up to date, I feel in Uganda we haven't reached a level of importing a Mzungu coach. We rather take our coaches, our fellow Ugandans, to go and be trained in Bazungu's place, and they come here to train our players. Because we are spending a lot on these foreign coaches, while our local coaches could even do better. My Athman Rubowa was the coach that time, assisted by Paul Haswe, the late. They beat all the Bazungu in Sudan with a very ramshackle team, and we came with the trophy. So if somebody goes to play football, rally, rugby, and he doesn't come with pleasing results, respect him. Thank him for the best he has done. Don't thank him with the Marco Zevici. I don't want to go very far. Somebody may think that I'm talking about him. I know I'm talking about myself. Yes. We have a chief guest here. Mr. Chief Guest. Somebody introduced you as a Nigerian. If that is true, then I'm wondering, why are you here? You know. But already I say sports is a tribe. You are here because we are all tribesmen, people of the same tribe. That's why you are here, and you are most welcome. I wish I had it. That is from me, not from them. I appreciate it, please. I want to correct Bwana Isaac. No, it's not you. It's him. Who said that he had Kanisoliso talking about Kakaire, and he thought we were fighting with the Mulindwa. That's what he said. That's wrong. It was between Kakaire and Ubua. He wasn't Mulindwa. By the way, if anything, I'm one of those people who gave a very strong hand to see Mulindwa in office. Yeah, thank God he achieved it. What came next, I don't want to know. Because everybody has his kisanja. You can come for 2 terms and end up getting 20 terms, depending to how you perform. I don't want those people who laugh at their friends and they make them fail to talk more about the same. Somebody laughed there. Many of us said. Now, let's talk about talent. The Rio Stars, through their sponsors, are promoting talents. They are not making talents. They are promoting talents. And when your talent is promoted, you actually get a better career. You end up to benefit you and the person. Often it's your career. I say if you work, you eat alone with your family. But remember, there was a promoter and there was a sponsor who helped to see your career building and growing strong. So I want to thank the Rio Stars, whatever, sports agency. Thank you very much for that wonderful agency. And when you promote, please remember to promote us also. Us meaning the officials. You see, you cannot be a good official when you don't lead a team to success. You are always good if you will lead the team to success. So if you promoted us, we should also know and learn some languages to use at times and learn how to avoid.
Price for this one is nothing. It's only the award because you can't put a monetary value to that. Congratulations, hard work, and thank you so much. And we'll continue to recognize sports administrators, people that have played a massive role to get sports, football, basketball, rugby, whichever sport it is, where it is. Will tell us about that move. Thank you so much, Harry. A massive congratulations. Thanks so much, Mr. Polana. I think we'll have a quick word or two from here. So, what does it feel like to have won the lifetime achievement award, Mr. Nakai?
Who is to be thanked first? No, the organizer. The organizer. Thank you so much. Rio Stars Sports Agency. You managed to pick a very handsome boy here, leading football in this country. But this was not yesterday. It is over 22 years ago. Yes, it is. Thank you so much. This is a wonderful gesture to me for being remembered by members of my clan. I'm now taking your word. It's no longer my members of my clan, the football clan, then the sports fraternity. It makes me great honor to receive this. Actually, I wish, even if it was walking on foot, if I knew I was coming to receive this, I would walk from wherever I came from to come and pick this one. This is going to make my simple sitting room shine if I include this among the few. What are this? What is this? Accolades. Okay, among the few accolades I have. Thank you very much. Let me take also this opportunity through this gathering to demand from the governing football body. I'm demanding to know where my under-12 team is. Did they play from there, and how did they play? Who has that answer? Is it the media or the ones in office today? Let me use this opportunity to ask the media to find me the answer. Under 12, who went to Eritrea 1996, if not 7. Went to Eritrea and we came up champions. We came with the trophies. The press that time talked about it just very little. I am requesting the press today, the media today, to find out, dig where those players went. I only hear there is somebody called Warusindi who is shouting somewhere, calling himself president of FUFA. I don't know whether he is, I don't know whether he is not, but where are the rest? Thank you very much. You want me to lift my leg? Yes. At only 76 years of age, I am receiving this. Thank you very much.
Tumuwadinze olebe yasobola okubanga akolera omuzannyo gw'omupiira. Yasooka n'abeera vice president myaka mingi emabega muje kyende wasi wa Semanobe, then n'akoma watenga president nga Mwami Omudinga amaze okubanga kita 96 paka 98 yali president wa FUFA. So anyabya yakolera omupiira byali bingi ngolesebya club ya Nairo jafiirangako nnyo okuva ejjinja, but still yatandika omupiira gw'abakyala. Omupiira gw'abakyala ogwo gwalina resistance nene nnyo okuva mu bazadde, okuva mu bakulembeze b'emizannyo abamu nga tebakkiriza nti abaala balina okuba omupiira. Actually n'amasomero gaali tegaagala omupiira guno gende maaso g'abakyala, insistinga wadde essente za gavumenti zaamumibwa naye yasobola okufuna ssente mu ngeri ze n'atoola ttiimu Egypt n'egenda n'esobola okukolerayo amaliriga 0-0 n'ekomawo mu Uganda ne bagikubawo 0 Nakivubo. Okuva awo kasatu taba mu pakeezo FIFA n'etandika okutuweereza ssente, era ssente za Goal Projects mu mwava FUFA House gye tulaba olunaku olwaleero zava ku mupiira gw'abakyala. So omuntu alina contribution ennene weeti newankubadde yanyuka omupiira oba tosobola kuba nga tomwebaza nakumuwaayo akoledde.